Hi guys, welcome back to Mad Father, and this is my fourth time doing this today. Let's get into what we got, what we got, what we got, what we got. We got an what about an eyeball? Oh. She's like ding. Why is she dinging here now? The ladder is missing a section. She's dinging here. Oh, Snowball. Snowball is relaxing. Well, Snowball won't come with me anymore, so. Okay then. I guess we're missing a ladder section, so we're gonna wander around till I find it. Listen, I can hear the dog. It's locked. Okay, so I'm retarded. There's that door. Ladder, ladder, got a ladder. But that's... Oh. Alright then. Go, 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 go. I have a pendant. Let's go here. What is this pendant for? This is... Oh. Mama! Colana! Mama! Aww. I brought the ghosts together. Anyways, I got the ladder now. What am I going here? Ha! This is... Got a mini chainsaw! Why is this blinking so weird? Please select a special key to equipped. But equipped, press confirm key. Swing the chainsaw down. going to be familiar with this once. Aya, what are you doing swinging that thing? Sorry. This is not a toy. It is a dangerous tool. Understand? Nothing. Never play with anything like this again. So sorry, Father. Glad you returned. It is odd. I thought I put this away. The bird that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this eye? Sorry. I'm sorry, Father. Aya. Okay, so... I don't know. I got a gem. Destroy all the barrels. Anyways. Did you just die? It feels like something is grabbing my leg. Drag it down the hall. I'm going to get dragged away. I'm not good at these. I have to think. Fuck. I'm not good at action time stuff. Ah! Alrighty then. I have a D-pad. Let's see if I can do it with the D-pad faster. Fuck! Frustrated, sorry. Well, let me pull the chainsaw out. So I could sound. I have like Oak's like little voice in the back of my head. Now is oh no, I'm saving. It's locked from the inside. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see anything. That man took my eyes away. Looking for eyes. Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? I don't think she can hear me. She's gonna whine. Well, fine then. You don't get your eyes. Oh, hi, save point. It won't open. Door's firmly shut. And she's just whining about her eyeballs. Nope. What am I supposed to do? Doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button and comment in the section below. And if you like, also if you liked what you saw, check out one of the videos that are going to appear on the screen here in a minute. And if you really like what you saw, then maybe subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends and your family. My arms are up here for some reason, and that's weird. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye!